So here we have this 2003 Bryant heat pump that I cut defrosting in a startup shutdown of in heat mode last winter. Well, the defrost was back in last year, but this year I caught the startup shutdown. Spiderweb that way, so I'm not going to go that way. There's spiderwebs both ways. There it is, 2003, 2.5 ton. It's very cold. Actually, no, that's not that cold at all. Open scroll. This thing just turned off. And then here's this. Actually, all three of these are running. That one, and that one. I'm currently waiting for a start of that unit over there, of that train. So my camera's, my other camera's set up right here for that. So yeah. Here's this. Anyways, here's this little Rude running. Rheem, actually, it's Rheem plastic. Open scroll. It's a reversing valve. That's a giant window well. Luckily, it has a cover over it. 2015 2-ton. It's very cold and sweaty. And this thing never seems to be running, but here's this thing running. Oh, and by the way, this actually has like a whole cover on the back for whatever reason. And then here's this little Rheem value that sounds off. That sounded awful before, but for whatever reason, it sounds better today. It's a open scroll. She's making a weird buzzing noise. There's a reversing valve, and then there's a capacitor. Chentech fan motor. 2012 2-ton. Very cold. Yeah, here are all the three of these units. So yeah, anyways. Thank you for watching, and over and out.